Joining us now are 51 school athletes representing the 21 sports played under the auspices of the Singapore Primary School Sports Council and the 28 sports played under the Singapore School Sports Council. Presenting Sojo Asta and Hiran Koban.
All student athletes, please raise your right hand and recite the athlete's oath with me.
In the name of all competitors, we promise that we shall take part in these national school games, respecting and abiding by the rules which govern them, committing ourselves to the true spirit of sportsmanship, without doping and without drugs, for the glory of sport and the honor of our teams.
Thank you, Sojo Asta and Hiran Koban.
Now, we would like to invite one of the NSG coaches, Mr. David Woon, to represent all coaches to take the coach's oath.
In the name of all coaches, we promise to respect all athletes, officials, and coaches in these national school games. We will act in the best interests of the athletes and schools without doping and without drugs. We will commit ourselves to ensure that the spirit of sportsmanship and fair play is fully adhered to and upheld always.
Thank you, Mr. Woon. We would like to invite Ms. Grace Chia to represent all officials in reciting the official's oath. Ms. Chia, please.
In the name of all the judges and officials, we promise that we shall officiate in these national school games with complete impartiality, without doping and without drugs. We will respect and abide by the rules which govern the games in the true spirit of sportsmanship.
Thank you, Ms. Chia. Thank you to all student representatives representing the 29 sports. Now, we would like to present to you our mini NSG torch relay. We shall now invite Mr. Chan and the chairpersons of both councils, Mr. Justin Pierre and Mr. Wilbur Wong, to join Julia and Anik in the lighting of the National School Games flame.